Hello all, today I will do my hachis parmentier. So you need for this 500 gram of minced meat, 500 gram of potato, the same as mixed vegetables, some frozen vegetable or fresh, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon tomato concentrate, 50 gram of butter, 600 milliliters of milk, salt, pepper, nutmeg, and some roux to bind the sauce. Okay, so I begin to peeling my potatoes. I put some water in a pan with salt, of course. And when my potatoes are peeled, I wash them and will cut them into small pieces. Let them boil 10 to 15 minutes. They are really good cooked to make my mashed potato. During this time, I have peeled my onion. I cut it in small pieces. When my potatoes will be ready, I will put them with a bit of oil in the pan. I use only one pan, so you can do everything one after all. During this time also, I put my small vegetable in warm water. I did put it in the microwave for 10 minutes and they're cooked also. So my potatoes are done. I will take out the water, put a little bit milk, 100 gram of 100 milliliter with the butter, salt, pepper and nutmeg. Let it boil and then I put my potato inside it. I whipped them really good, so I have a nice mashed potatoes. Okay, then a little bit salt because it was missing, just verify. And I put it in a special plate for the oven. Then I put my onion in the pan. I put the meat inside and I sear it with the onion. Fry them, yeah. When meat is cooked, I put my tomato concentrate and I mixed all of this. I put it in the plate on the mashed potato and I make the rest of the milk, so 500 milliliters to boiling with salt and pepper and nutmeg. So I put then on the meat my small vegetable. We just have to make the sauce and it will be ready almost. Okay, so then when my milk is boiling, I put some roux, flour and butter to make it harder, and I put the sauce on the rest. My plate is ready. So I leave it in the fridge for a few hours because it's better to be cold, and so you have time. And when you want to eat, you take a piece of it, you put in a plate for the oven. You just have, the best is to put a little bit cheese on it, rasped cheese, and a little bit cream on the cheese, so it will be nicer to eat. You put in the oven at 240 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes and it's ready. You just have to eat. So nice. Look at this. Nice, isn't it? So if you like my recipes, just please go on my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.